Here is a video for the 2024 Fiat 500e INSPI Red with a range of 141.
I'm really looking forward to the game. Not many do, of course. You can expect watch parties to be hopping that night. Andrea, who lives in Antioch, and her sister Cassandra, who lives in Marin, were wearing Mickey shirts that didn't pick favorites.
We got all the flags. We have all the flags.
Well, the U.S. is the favorite.
Wireless charging.
Even if they do get knocked out, this has been a wonderful summer of soccer so far.
And there you have it for the 2024 Fiat 500e INSPI Red.